Sherman drop. Forecast tonight at 6 with meteorologist Eric Gage. Going to be getting another show tonight. We had this a couple weekends ago. The International Space Station flying over 8:18 tonight, and it's going to be perfect skies. Clear.
Yep, clear skies tonight. Flyby, again, you mentioned right there, yep. 8:18. Visible for 4 minutes, starting in the northwest sky, disappears in the southeast, and still good visibility, 70 degrees above the horizon. If you do miss it tonight, don't worry, there's another chance to catch it tomorrow. The timing of that looks to be 7:30, visible for 7 minutes. Again, that'll be for Sunday, so we have 2 chances to see that this evening. And in case you don't follow or watch the news every day, you can also get information on the flybys on our Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Now, looking at Oneonta live and atop Partwick College, looking at blue skies, clouds slowly decreasing throughout the day. And of course, things are dry and quiet on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Very comfortable 71 degrees measured at Griffiths Park in Rome. And this evening, pleasant conditions, temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Another fantastic day tomorrow. I'll go into more detail on that full forecast coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Today is the world.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Just under 6 hours left of September, and we could have had a not so much a very nice day across the area. It's been fantastic with sunshine, a few clouds. In the southeastern portion of the viewing area that has since cleared out, and we do have, again, beautiful conditions across the state on the New York State Mesonet camera network. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are quiet and dry across central New York. And as we head into peak fall color season soon, I want to share some of the beautiful fall pictures sent into our Facebook page. This is of McCully Mountain up near Old Forge. Again, beautiful fall foliage up there. Old Forge and the surrounding area, roughly 40 to 60% leaves have changed already. This is another view. Actually, I'm going to take a look at another view of some of the other fall colors as well. We do have some one more in Old Forge and a couple more in the surrounding area as well. Let me take a look at this view right here in just 1 second. So again, we have a view of McCully Mountain, and apologies right here, and there we go, Tug Hill, sent in by Eric, cool name of course. A beautiful view of the fall foliage right here as well. Oxbow Lake, sent in from Mary. Got nice fall colors there as well. And then finally, Route 28 in Old Forge. Again, if you're heading up the North Country tomorrow, beautiful weather is expected, and of course, plenty of fall colors as well. Radar and satellite showing low pressure to our east, and with that, a brief shower was possible in the southeastern part of a viewing area that has since been over and done with, and clear skies move in from high pressure out to the west. And so for tonight, lows falling into the upper 40s to low 50s. Looking at clear skies, patchy fog developing in value locations in the western portion of our viewing area. That fog burns off by the afternoon. High temperatures climbing into the mid-70s. Another fantastic day to spend time outside tomorrow. And then overnight lows tomorrow night falling into the 40s and 50s with valley fog once more, primarily in the southern valleys. And another nice day for Monday with high temperatures climbing into the mid-70s. And so for tonight, lows falling into the upper 40s to low 50s, mostly clear with some patchy fog tomorrow. Highs in the mid-70s, beautiful weather is expected. Our 7-day forecast, nice weather continues for Monday through Thursday. A big warm-up too, highs approaching the low 80s. Then a big cool down. After Friday, a cold front sweeps through, highs Saturday only in the upper 50s.
First look at your forecast tonight at 11 with meteorologist Eric Gage. We had a great view of the International Space Station. One of our wonderful viewers sent this in as well. You can actually see it. This is really cool.
Yeah, and it was a very cool flyby.
Yeah,
it was very quick.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, in case you missed it, we have another flyby. It's a little longer, about 7 minutes at 7:30. More detail on that coming up in the next few minutes. Yeah, here's a look at, you can see it's a bit of the outline.
Yeah, right here.
These are the solar panels right here, the body of the station. And Jarvis said that he took this picture from a video, zooming in very quickly. It's his first time taking a picture of it, and this is pretty impressive too. As we head into tonight, looking at clear skies, a look at the current conditions right now. Temperatures in the upper 50s, cooling down into the low 50s to upper 40s tonight. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are quiet and dry across central New York. And for tonight, still looking at clear skies. Lows falling again into the upper 40s to low 50s. We are tracking some patchy fog developing tomorrow morning, and then another fantastic day for your Sunday for October 1st. I'll get more detail on that full forecast coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Today was the World.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Wrapping up the final day of September, roughly less than 45 minutes away from the start of October. Here's a live look at downtown Utica from our Nexus camera. Looking at quiet conditions here in the Mohawk Valley at this point, and as well, taking a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are quiet and dry across central New York, sharing some really cool fall foliage photos sent in from viewers. This one of McCully Mountain. This is sent in from Katie. Beautiful, breathtaking views of the fall foliage up in near Old Forge. Tug Hill. Sent in from Eric, by the way, cool name. Fall foliage as well in Oxbow Lake, sent in from Mary. And then finally, also on the Route 2 Old Forge, Route 28, Patricia sending in the fall foliage. As far as I've been told, the entire drive up is looking fantastic. In case you missed the ISS flyby tonight, don't worry, another chance to catch it tomorrow and for longer. A little earlier, 7:30 in the evening, visible for 7 minutes. Still roughly the same height above the horizon, and it'll be appearing from the northwest, disappears in the southeast. The bigger picture, low pressure that brought the historic flooding to New York City is now departing to the east. That did also bring us a few spotty showers on Friday. Behind that, though, we are seeing a ridge of strong high pressure returning in the northeast, and that means quiet and pleasant weather for the near term. And so for tonight, lows falling into the upper 40s to low 50s. Patchy fog possible developing in valley locations in the western portion of our viewing area. That will burn off by the afternoon, and highs will approach very comfortably into the mid-70s. A fantastic weekend day to spend time outside, and in fact, go check out the fall foliage up in the North Country. Tomorrow night, lows falling into the 40s and 50s, patchy fog, especially in the southern valleys, and another nice day is expected for Monday. And so for tonight, lows falling into the upper 40s to low 50s, mostly clear skies, patchy fog. Tomorrow, highs in the mid-70s. Absolutely beautiful weather is expected for your Sunday. Our 7-day forecast, sunshine continues for Monday through Thursday. Highs approaching the low 80s. Then on Friday, a cold front arrives and a big cool down. Highs on Saturday only in the upper 50s.